How to upload and sell Squarespace templates on Etsy. Hi there, today we'll learn about how to upload and sell your own Squarespace templates using the Etsy platform. First thing, what you need to do is go to etsy.com. You need to log in into your account to make sure that you will be able to complete or to successfully process the uploading and selling your own templates. So here in Etsy, you can actually try to search on Squarespace templates on the search bar that's on the uppermost part of the website that's beside the word or beside the Etsy logo. There you will be able to see and you can just search on Squarespace templates. And here are a lot of templates that are currently being sold using this platform. So here it actually provides you the prices, the rating, and this will also give you an idea on how to create or how your product for the Squarespace template should look like on your own store. Here, so there are a lot more options, whether the template is for a blog or for a website, depending on what you have here. So for you to begin, you can click on your profile or the store icon beside your profile, and that will route you to your own web or your Etsy store. So you need to sign in for you to continue first. You can sign in with your Google account, Facebook, or even with your Apple account or Apple ID. Here, so this will be the part where you will be able to add a product. So first thing that you'll do, if this will be the first product that you have, you need to input your shop preference, what language, what currency, and what country your store is currently located. So another thing here, when you click on save and continue, you will be naming your shop, where in my case, I already named my shop, and then just click on save and continue. And then you will be routed into this page. This will be the page where you will be able to see or view the products that you have listed into your shop. So what you just need to do is add a listing and you will be routed into this page. First thing that you will need to do is to add a photo. This is one of the requirements here on Etsy, where you need to add a photo in order for you to proceed with your product listing. So here you just need to input on how your template would look like so that when your customers or your clients will be able to look into your shop, they will be able to view the product that you are selling. Another thing here is you can also add a video, but that's optional. That is applicable if ever you already have a product video for your own product. So here, under listing details, you need to input the informations. For example, how you'd like to name your product or what the title would be. So here I'll just add Squarespace website template since the template that I have is for website or the homepage for the website. And here you will actually be inputting as well as information whether you were the one who created the product and was is this a product a finished product or this is used to create their own, and they will also ask on what year this was made. For the category, I inputted here digital. You can also add a few more information like templates and alike. So another thing here that you can add is that other things here are optional actually. So one of the requirements is that you can also click on renewal options, and you can also check on subject as well depending on what applies on your product. So for renewal options, I'll just click on manual. And since the type of product that we're selling is digital, we just need to click on digital. And here under description, you just need to input the product description for your template for the Squarespace template that we are currently selling. So after that, you just need to scroll down and then you can have the tags or the materials being used, but that's just optional. And the next thing that you'll need to do is to add or under inventory and pricing, you need to input the price of the product and how much or how many product you currently have on your end. Here. Once these informations are completed, you just need to input or download the digital file. You can download a digital file. For example, you have a PDF file that has a link that will route your customers or your clients to Squarespace in order for them to be able to access the template or the Squarespace template that they will be getting. And once done, you can input some shipping information and then you can just go ahead and click on save and continue. Once you click on save and continue, you will be routed into this page where you can see that it has now been listed into your shop along with the other products as well. And then once you go ahead, as you can see here, once you click on save and continue, you will be routed to another page where it will ask you a few informations on how you wish to get paid for this. Here, so we can go under Squarespace and then we can go into your website builder and then you can just go ahead and log in into your account or you can go to your account dashboard. Here you will be able to see that this is the current website that I have on my end. And most likely this will be the website or the template that this will be the website or the template that your customers or clients will be able to use once they will be able to purchase the template or the Squarespace template that we created. Okay, so you can look into the information, and that's the end of the video. That's how you do it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.